Alright, what's up YouTube? I'm back with another video, and in today's video, we're gonna be talking about this creeper right here. 35 bucks from Harbor Freight right now. And it's really nice. Alright, so right off the bat, I'm gonna let y'all know that this thing is worth every penny. Get off that cardboard, kings and queens, and get y'all one of these. Save up, stop eating fast food for 3 weeks, put that money aside, and go get one. This thing is a game changer. It's so much easier to get underneath these cars now instead of having to put down cardboard, make sure it's clean, and then land on the cardboard and shimmy and all up underneath your car. We all know how it goes. I've already used this thing twice, draining the oil and also draining the gas out this thing, just so it's ready for first start. And it was a breeze using this thing. You got places to put your tools, a nice head pad, and also really nice wheels to roll on. Also, this thing is super light, really light, easy to carry. But enough talking about it, telling y'all how good it is. I'm gonna use this thing right now to take my exhaust off. This exhaust is old, it's holy, it's rusty, and it's going in the garbage, and I'm getting a new one for it. So we're gonna jack it up and get under there and get it off. Alright, so after wasting at least about 20 minutes trying to jack this car up, because I don't have a jack that lifts the car high enough where I can creep underneath Harbor Freight. If y'all wanna, hook me up with one, I'll be in the Instagram DM _Steezy Manny. Okay, so GoPro had crashed, so I don't know how much of that clip I'm gonna be able to save, but show must go on. So we gonna get this one right here. Also got some gloves too. Get that all up in there. Yup. Get the glove on. It looked like I was gonna be able to just slip it out, but it might give me some issues. Actually, it seems like it's gonna come right off. Right. No way. But wow. Are you serious? This is way too smooth. This can't be right. Like, I'm literally having issues like everywhere else except actually getting the exhaust off. That's how working on cars can be. But luckily with this creeper, it's also making it nicer too. So I think it's one more, I can actually see it right here. One more in the front, like the mid part of the exhaust. Relocate the camera again, and we're gonna get that one off, and we should be able to take this junk off and throw it in the garbage. I don't know if you can see me. Hi. Okay, so there's the last one. I was thinking these rubbers on here are pretty bad, the actual hanger. So what if I just clearly cut that hanger off? And it'll make this job so much easier. So oh wait, is another one? Oh no, it's another one on the other side. Let me see if I can. Let's see. I'm trying to see if I could just reach it from this side. Nah, it's not gonna work. Let me twist the exhaust and see if I can just pop it off. You can't see me, but I'm about to roll to the back. So I'm back. One thing I've noticed about this creeper is, I'm sorry you can't see me, I'm behind the camera. But the one thing I've noticed is not everyone's garage floor is perfect. Like, everybody got cracks and whatnot in the garage. If you just lift your weight up a little bit and just like actually grab the creeper and just like move, you should be able to get over the crack, unless it's like really bad. Alright. This one is so little. It's like not stretching like all the other ones. Oops, I'm in the camera, my bad. Can we just, I just need to get back here to cut this. Let me see. I feel like I can get it like this, let me see. That smells terrible. Come on, man.
come out. Come on. I might hit the camera soon. Sorry guys. She's almost out though. I still haven't got off the peeper, by the way. Woo! She's out. I'm still on it. I lost my head.
Alright, so there you have it. I got the exhaust off. Let's get it from underneath the car. Creeper definitely made the job a lot easier. No cardboard. Let's look at this junk. This is all one piece. I'm about to cut it, toss it in the garbage. At least it's not that heavy. This is the whole exhaust. Oh my God. So I don't know if y'all can see the brand or not. If y'all want to look it up, it's upside down. I'm probably gonna look it up myself, honestly. But this video is not about the exhaust really, but more about this thing right here. It's amazing. I love it. You see I got my channel locks right there. Real nice, real clean. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. I don't wanna hold too much of y'all time. Let me know if y'all got one of these, how y'all like it, and if y'all considering about getting one, maybe for yourself or for somebody else, maybe for Christmas or a birthday gift, who knows. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. All my social media is in the description below. Appreciate y'all watching and see y'all in the next one. I'm out.